Il-punt ewlien li ħareġ mill-analiżi tal-NEO dwar il-proġett tal-Power Station il-ġdida kien il-mod inkonsistenti li kien adottat fil-valutazzjoni tas-sottomissjonijiet. In-nuqqasijiet relatati ma' due diligence kienu wkoll ta' tħassib bil-verifiki imwettqa meqjusa bħala insuffiċjenti. Aktar minn hekk, in-nuqqas ta' evidenza li l-Enemalta kkunsidrat mudelli ta' akkwist alternattiv għal riservi dwar id-disin tal-proġett. Dawn huma biss żewġ siltiet mir-rapport tal-Awditur Ġenerali dwar il-Power Station tal-Gass il-proġett tal-Electrogas illi kien xprunat mill-Ministru Konrad Mizzi. Ftit minuti biss wara li ġie ppreżentat dan ir-rapport fil-Parlament, il-Ministru Konrad Mizzi sejjaħ konferenza tal-aħbarijiet illi matula naqas milli indirizza dawn il-punti u minflok infex feloġju lilu nnifsu. Konrad Mizzi kien ilu ma jsejjaħ konferenza tal-aħbarijiet mit-13 ta' Ġunju meta kien nieda attività ta' Nickelodeon tfal. Bil-Ministru jisparixxi għal kollox meta sar magħruf illi s-sit ta' 17 Black u id-direttur tal-Electrogas. Ma setax jonqos għalhekk li f'din l-ewwel dehra tiegħu wara ħafna żmien il-ġurnalisti kollha jistaqsuh dwar ir-rabta tiegħu ma' 17 Black iżda hu ħarab milli jirrispondi kif ma weġibx lanqas dwar in-nuqqasijiet kbar li jispikkaw fir-rapport tal-NEO dwar il-Power Station il-ġdida.
Now there is mounting evidence of wrongdoing in the Power Station project, starting from the fact that the plant received secretly money from one of the investors behind it. Don't you think now it's time to step down, step away, so that the police can do their investigations without any undue pressure?
Claire, naħseb li m'hemm evidenza tal-wrongdoing bil-kontra.
There were shortcomings flagged, so how can you say that
Every process would have certain shortcomings.
70 Black that's one of the companies that would be feeding into your Panama company.
I have no association with
You didn't ask an executive.
But how it was listed? How can you say
You didn't
that?
ask an executive on 70 Black and Langbridge.
Jek taraw, jek tistennaw daċċej ta' paċenzja meta jitlesta l-inquiry, I think things will clarify.
But there's been
I mean, you had the same
questions.
questions on documentation with respect to Egbert. I think just a little patience, what I can tell you is there was no wrongdoing. So there is no evidence. I invite you, and obviously I challenge you, rather than question search everywhere around the world, xi flus kont irċivejt jew se nirċievi.
So you think that there have been repeated calls for yourself to resign, so why?
Jiena naħseb fuq reżenji għax l-iskrutinju qed kollu fuqi, let me invert with the question.
Bit-tweġiba tal-Ministru tkun biss illi kull proġett ikollu noqqasijiet.